What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor. I make my living trading cryptocurrency, some serious efficiency. If you guys aren't making the gains you deserve, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. For those of you who want the little additive edge, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and I can really help you guys with your entries. But guys, I wanted to go over two different coins today, Electroneum and Bitcoin. Obviously some very popular coins on my page. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, I wanted to start with Bitcoin here. So definitely a very clear descending triangle going on right now with brief moments of oversold and overbought territory. For instance, oversold, overbought. Alright, and the reason this is like this is just we have many points of just lined up support, okay, just a horizontal support, a decreasing line of resistance, okay. That means we do have a tendency to break to the downside here. So for instance, using measurement from the back to the point of potential breakout, guys, we could easily be heading down a little bit further. That being said, we do have a lot of support right here. We are kind of bouncing off of this. Was a polar support, okay, and still acting as such. Let's see if we can hold it. Or if we don't, I do expect a little bit of cascading down. For instance, you can check your VPVR for this. There's definitely a little gap here. You know, we could kind of fall either way here. So watch those indications and congruency with the trend. But to be honest, guys, it seems like the trend could be flipping back pretty soon. We already got a little bit of a move up here. Hopefully that was the bottom in. Let's see what happens in the volume over the next few hours. And what I want you guys to actually do is use the Bollinger Bands in these times to look for the oversold and overbought territory. For instance, we are in a slight expansion phase right now. Like we zoom in, for instance, we have the circle using barbell theory, consolidation, and the widening again. Will we get the breakout right here, or will we tighten up a little bit more as the stock unloads and loads up and gets ready for a movement right around here, guys? That's kind of actually what I'm anticipating would be this move. I would anticipate a little bit more build up before we see a punch. And that will go either way, and the reason for that is because our volume's kind of up right here, but it's going to go down a little bit more and then up again right around here, guys. So that's exactly where I'm expecting the move to go. If we break up, use patterns within patterns, and then play to EMA until we get a flipping of the major EMAs, for instance, the 1 hour or above. Or if we break to the downside, guys, just ride it down to previous what was a polar resistance, okay, minimally, okay. Once we get to this point, start to analyze, see what's going on with the volume, you'll start to see a picture of what's going to happen, guys. But that's the pattern that I'm looking for, guys, and just in simplicity, watch for the major support to be broken, which is this big line here, and if so, go short. If this line up here is broken, which is the resistance, look for that long, guys. Definitely some easy stuff going on right now. Let's go right over to Electroneum. Now, guys, this coin has a lot of good things going. Don't be fooled, don't be weeded out, guys. I see so much negativity sometimes, and it's comical. I'm not worried about these kind of movements, guys, and we definitely have a very clear pattern playing out right now. Right from a symmetrical, had the breakdown right there, right into a possible another symmetrical, or this could even be a W formation, just very big. Okay, let's see how this plays out over the next few hours. But just for transparency, we had another big volume spike. So guys, that's exactly what we had right before. I was saying, guys, we're going to get a movement right here. The volume just kept creeping up. The movement went down, guys. A breakout can mean either way. I saw that question in the chat. That can mean up or down, guys. You need your indications in combination with volume to see which way that's going. Strong ones I like to use are the 7 and the 20 crossing. Oversold and overbought territory in the bands. You know, continuation movements in the candles, for instance, engulfings. Okay, there's many indication plays and confirmations, which is what you look for to actually make your entries. Think of trading as very peer-to-peer. Somebody makes more money, somebody makes less money. You want to make more money, so get in the market at the right times, get out at the right times. Now let's just zoom out really quick to see if there's anything just jumping out here. Now guys, we've been kind of walking down for a little bit. Reverse pressure is pretty far away at this point. We do have a lot of resistances and support, specifically polar and static above us. We need to start walking up, okay, straight away. This is a major line of support here. If we break that, guys, we do have a support way down here at 0.005. Guys, we could easily get cut in half here. I don't want to scare anybody into cascade selling here, but definitely a last line of defense line is all the way down here. Okay, so we extend that right out. And you guys have an idea just of how bad things can go if we do go down. Now, again, if that does happen, I will be scooping up more coin. I got in at 0.0018. So there's not a reality I even ever lose on this coin unless it dies, which it won't. That is my belief. And I think we will eventually walk up and retest these tops easily. Okay, you zoom out even further, go to the daily. You know, guys, I think we're going to kind of just do like this kind of thing, and then we're going to start to walk back up, and then we will surpass this high here and hopefully be reaching towards 5-6 cents, hopefully within the next year, guys. But in the short term, lots of movements to be had. Let's see when we can actually break this reverse pressure. That will be some very bullish signs for Electroneum. And in the immediate, guys, go down to the 15-minute. Watch for the resistance of this blue pattern to be broken, and that's symmetrical for those of you who are unsure. Okay, and if their support is broken, look for a nice little short there. But play it in between here, play to EMAs, and then go up to the 1 hour of resistance so we get a breakout, and watch for the EMAs to be broken here because you expect a continuation move, at least to a static resistance. Okay, guys, and that is all the time I have for today. Just amazing times in cryptocurrency, guys. If you guys are not making the gains you deserve, head right over to the student program, get signed up, make the gains you deserve, give the best gift for Christmas this year, guys. Just some amazing times. And for those of you who want to see me in Miami, I'm going to be there from the 6th to 9th this coming year. Register today. Address I will leave in the links below, guys. If you want to see me, I'll be there. Be sure to come up and say hello. Say how you found me, and guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.